In this video, we are going to understand how the two sprites are going to run on the game stage and one of them is going to chase the other sprite. From the sprites library, from the animals category, we can take the desired sprites. I will be taking one cat and one dog. You can take other sprites also as per your convenience. Now, we are supposed to give the instructions to both of them and we can add a beautiful backdrop also. I'll take this one. You can take any backdrop that you wish for. Let's begin to give instructions to the cat first. So here the requirement is when we are going to click on the green flag on the game stage. So that time the cat should have a starting position. So we will go to the motion category and take the instruction go to XY. Here, these are the coordinates, basically the location of the cat. So you can give any values here. For example, this one. Now when I click on the green flag, so the cat will go to this particular starting position. After that, I want the cat to move continuously on the game stage. So I will take this instruction. Instead of 10 steps, I will make it one step. And the cat should be running continuously. So I'll add a loop here, say forever. And let's join it and see how this is working. So when I click on the green flag, the cat is moving, but it should look like running. So we will change costume here. So go to the looks category, next costume, and put it inside the forever block. And click on the green flag and see how this is working for us. Great. Now the cat looks running on the game stage. Now is time to give instructions to the dog, as the dog is going to chase the cat. So the starting instruction would be the same that when we click on the green flag. So again, the dog should also go to a starting position. So for that, we will go to the motion category and take the instruction go to XY. And here you can give any coordinates. For example, this one. Now when I click on the green flag, so the dog has its starting position. And now the dog is supposed to chase the cat. So what we can do is it should bark to the cat. So we can take this instruction, say hello for 2 seconds, and we can change the message here, something like this. And then it is supposed to chase the cat. So it is supposed to move on the game stage. And we will look out for the number of steps after a while, and it should chase the cat continuously. So we will add a forever loop here also, and we can just check how this is working. So click on the green flag and it's running towards the cat quite slowly. So in order to make it more interesting, what we can do is we can increase the number of steps here. Say for example, move 70 steps, and it should change costume also. Then go to the looks category and take the instruction next costume here. And this set is complete. So you can click on the green flag and see how this is working. Great. So now you click on the green flag and the dog is chasing the cat. Cool. We can further add a little variations to this thing, as for example, when you click on the green flag, so the dog should be hidden somewhere that it is not visible to us. So from the looks category, we will take the instruction that it should hide, and it should wait for some time, say like wait for 1 second or maybe 2 seconds, and after that it should show up on the game stage and start running after the cat. So we can add such variations here, and now we can maximize the game stage and see how this is working for us.